Hello everyone. Hi, good afternoon. Hope everyone is ready for the FINNifty expiry. Hello everyone. Hello. Yes, Babluji, we will be sharing the Hero Zero soon. Need update on Tata Motors. We will take this up. Hello everyone. Hi, good afternoon. I hope सबको मेरी आवाज clearly आ रही है अभी. You all can hear me clearly. You can write yes in the chat if you can hear me clearly. Okay, there is an echo. Just give me a second. I hope it is fine now. There is no echo. Okay. Thank you for the confirmation. Let me just see. Okay, Nikun sir is here. Sir, I've added to the stage. You can join in. Sir, can you hear me?
Anuj, you are audible. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Give me 1 minute. I just share my screen and then.
Sure. So guys, we will be starting the session soon.
Is my screen visible?
Not yet, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, now it is visible.
Okay.
You are also visible. So let's start the session. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Anuj Sharma. You see me daily hosting these sessions with our expert. And today we have Nikun sir with us who will be taking this FINNifty expiry and hope we will continue our profit streak along with Nikun sir. We'll start with the market outlook. We'll share the levels for FINNifty, Nifty, BankNifty, सबके levels हम share करेंगे. उसके बाद में we'll move on towards the FINNifty expiry. We'll share the strike on radar. And उसके बाद में अगर हमें तुरंत ट्रेड मिलता है तो we'll do that. नहीं तो we'll take some stock queries and then we'll move towards the trade. So, sir, Nikun sir, over to you.
Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Anuj. Hope everyone is doing well. And हमने देखा है निफ्टी ने कल almost 25,000 जो elusive magical number है 25,000 almost hit किया, wherein it hit 24,999. आज भी थोड़ा सा नीचे खुलने के बाद ओपनिंग टिक से ही बाइंग देखी गई है and it is comfortably holding 24,950 levels और 900 level तो comfortably hold कर रहा है. So on the Nifty front, basically till 24,600 is not broken on the downside. Buy and decline stand should continue in Nifty, wherein gradually you can see 25,200 and 25,400 going forward. And Bank Nifty की अगर बात करें, बैंक निफ्टी थोड़ा सा अंडर परफॉर्मर है, लैकलस्टर मूव है, नीचे से 50,500 से सपोर्ट लेके वापस 51,800 आया है. नीचे में जब तक 51,200 51,300 के ऊपर ट्रेड कर रहा है तब तक बाय एंड डिक्लाइन स्टैंड शुड कंटिन्यू इन बैंक निफ्टी एज वेल, वेयरइन ऊपर में 52,300 एंड 52,800 slowly but gradually we'll see on the bank nifty spot level. तब तक 51,300 400 होल्ड कर रहा है, तब तक बाय एंड डिक्लाइन स्टैंड्स should continue in bank nifty as well. But comparatively to nifty, bank nifty has been a laggard mainly because of continuous churning and what to say lackluster moving some of the heavyweights, basically private bank majors like HDFCs and Axis and ICICIs of this world. तो आज जिसकी एक्सपायरी है उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. FINNifty की एक्सपायरी है. दिस इज द मंथली एक्सपायरी ऑफ FINNifty एंड आज शुरुआत से ही हमने एक अच्छा मोमेंटम देखा है काफी दिनों बाद. इनफैक्ट वी हैव सीन स्ट्रॉन्ग मोमेंटम इन FINNifty एंड द मोमेंटम हैज कंटिन्यूड. समटाइम्स इट यूजुअली कभी कभी क्या होता है कि थोड़ा सा मोमेंटम रहता है एंड इवेंचुअली इट गिव्स अवे. आज सुबह से स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड कर रहा है और इवन आफ्टर 2 PM it is holding on to the gains. So एक bias पॉजिटिव है हमारा. FINNifty की वीकली VWAP की बात करें तो वो अभी है 23,420. तो वी आर कंफर्टेबली ट्रेडिंग अबाउट द वीकली VWAP. तो हमारा बाय एंड डिक्लाइन स्टैंस ही कंटिन्यू रहेगा. अभी फिलहाल है 23,560 स्पॉट लेवल पे. तो हमारा जो स्ट्राइक ऑन रडार है वो हमारा कॉल साइड ही है. 23,500 कॉल ऑप्शन जो है वो हम ट्रैक कर रहे हैं. एंड वी आर वेटिंग फॉर अ स्मॉल डिप wherein if we get the option near 55 to 60, then we can consider that should be a buying range for the 23,500 call option of FINNifty. तो जिसकी आज एक्सपायरी है, buy in between 55 to 60, that is our buying range, and keep a stop of 38. And ऊपर में we can see 120 and 130 on the higher side targets on FINNifty 23,500 call option. Our buying range is 55 to 60. As of now, we'll wait for a dip. If we change our stance and हमें लगता है कि थोड़ा सा aggressively देना चाहिए, and then we'll, if there is any change with regards to the buying price, we'll definitely update. But as of now, keep the buying range is 55 to 60 with a stop of 38 and ऊपर में 120 and 130 on the higher side. FINNifty का call option. So this is our trade setup for the last hour. Even FINNifty की बात करें, अगर आर्ली चार्ट भी देखें हम तो as of now नीचे में 23,520 होल्ड कर रहा है. ऊपर में 585 का एक स्मॉल हर्डल है. तो ये 30-40 पॉइंट्स के रेंज में ही we have to play for the last hour in FINNifty. So which is why we are going on the call side and we are trying to buy in a small dip. If we get the dip at 55 to 60, so that would be a buying range for the call option, 23,500 call option, keeping a stop of 38 and ऊपर में look for 120 and 130. So I think we have shared the levels of the three indices and also the strike that we have basically given the buying range and the stop loss and the target. So we'll wait for any dip. If अगर नहीं आता है तो we'll definitely see how to play about in this expiry. तो फिलहाल है 23,572 is the spot in FINNifty. तो आई गेस और सेकंड जो हमारा रेडार पे है, इवन द सेकंड स्ट्राइक दैट इज 23,550, वो भी हमारे रेडार पे है फिलहाल के लिए. तो वी आर ट्रैकिंग बोथ 23,500 कॉल ऑप्शन एंड 23,550. तो विल सी कौन से ऑप्शन में बेटर रिस्क रिवॉर्ड बैठ रहा है. एज ऑफ नाउ 23,500 का हमने जो बाइंग रेंज है, स्टॉप लॉस एंड टारगेट वी हैव शेयर्ड. अगर बाइंग एक्टिवेट होता है तो वेल एंड गुड. Otherwise, if we have to change the strike, we'll definitely update. Or agar aggressively we have to buy this only, we'll definitely update on the same. So I think in the meantime, we can take few queries if we have. Or I think we'll wait for some moment. The momentum is there. So 23,500 call option hai. So I think wait, I'll just share my 550 ka strike.
आई होप जो ट्रेड हमने दिया है वो सबको क्लियर है.
Yes.
FINNifty 23,500 call, buy near 55.60, stop loss 38 and target 120 to 130. And उसके साथ में we have added 23,550 also on our strike, on our radar.
550 is currently at 48. So if we compare, I think 550 would be 20 rupees in the money. The others is time value in that. I think we'll wait for this option. 23,500 only, because it is in the money. So I think it will give you a better margin of safety, because the spot level is 570 and it's almost only 10 rupees is the time value in this option. So we'll wait for a dip जो हमने level दिया है, we'll wait or we'll upgrade our buying range to say 58 to 64 or 65. So I think 23,500 ka call option, we are modifying the buying range. We are keeping it at 58 to 65. So this is a modified buying range and keeping a stop of 42. And the target remains the same, 120 and 130. So we have revised our buying price, buying range, basically 58 to 65, keeping a stop of 40 and looking for 120 and 130 on the higher side. 23,500 call option. So as of now, it is trading at 80 odd. So we look to buy in a small dip. I hope my trade setup is clear with everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, perfect. So I think the reason being we are buying the in the money option is because अगर 23,550 पे जाते थे तो almost 70-80% of the premium that is quoting at right now is time value. तो एक time value का थोड़ा decay हमको hurt होता था. Which is why we are sticking to the original strike of 23,500, because you're almost 70-80 points in the money. So I think we'll continue to be with this trade only, and the same strike 23,500 call option. अभी 76 पे आया है, so we'll wait for our dip. 65 is our level, 58 to 65. अगर 65 के आसपास आया, 66 भी आए तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, I think. So I think 23,500 call option. Currently it's trading at 74, so you can buy between 62 to 70. I think 60 to 70 is a good buying range. Yeah, so I think we have comfortably entered in our buying range. So perfectly 64 ka low kiya hai. So I think our buy is activated, keeping a stop of 38 and look for 120 and 130 on the higher side. So buying FINNifty ka 23,500 call option comfortably हमारा buy trigger हुआ है, wherein we have asked to buy between 65 to 70, and it is quoting in that range only, keeping a stop of 38. ऊपर में 120 and 130 का टारगेट रख सकते हैं. So buying momentum है, अच्छा डिप आया है तो एक एंट्री पॉइंट अच्छा बन गया है. Keep a stop of 38. आज बहुत दिनों बाद FINNifty में sharp momentum है, and buying small dips भी जो आ रहे हो, buying bulls are taking the advantage and entering the dips have been bought into. So which is why our buy on dip stance से ही हम trade कर रहे हैं, wherein we have asked to buy between 65 to 70, and it has buy has been triggered, keeping a stop of 38 and look for 120 and 130. So I think now a buy is triggered, so we'll wait for that. In the meantime, अगर कोई overnight trade होगा तो we'll definitely share. I think RCF is our overnight trade. BTST, if someone wants to do BTST, you can keep RCF at 218 and look for a target of 230, keeping 212 as a stop. So like BTST also we are sharing along with our FINNifty option hero zero kind of a trade. BTST जिसको करना है, और we are recommending RCF. फर्टिलाइजर सेक्टर में अच्छा एक अपमूव देखा गया है और स्ट्रॉन्ग मोमेंटम हैज बीन सीन इन फर्टिलाइजर स्पेस. तो RCF एक हमारा BTST है, तो यू कैन लुक इनटू इट. 212 इज द स्टॉप, ऊपर में 230. कमिंग बैक टू आवर FINNifty ट्रेड, नीचे में अभी 55 56 जाके आया, अभी 64 65 है. 65 to 70 इज अ बाइंग रेंज. तो फिलहाल कंफर्टेबली इट इज इन विद इन अ बाइंग रेंज. ऊपर में 70 to 74 मैक्स गया था, तो आई थिंक keeping a stop of 38, look for 120 and 130 on the higher side. So that is a trade that we have 70 फिलहाल. So लास्ट की एक आर की रेंज जो मैंने शेयर की थी 23,520 एंड 23,590, तो एक 60-70 पॉइंट्स का ही रेंज था जिसमें हमको जो भी है प्ले आउट करना था फॉर द एक्सपायरी पर से. तो we have also shared the same in our terminal. We have flashed it on the terminal as well. तो ऊपर में अभी वापस 72, 74 का प्राइस 75, सो 5-7 पॉइंट्स का एक अपटिक देखा गया है. ऊपर में 7590 का हाई किया है ऑप्शन, 23,500 का कॉल ऑप्शन. एंड सुबह से वी हैव सीन द 2 or 3 major components of FINNifty, which is HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Bajaj Finance. So these 3 stocks has been strong, and subah se momentum has been strong in all 3 heavyweights, which comprises almost 60 to 70% weightage in the FINNifty, which is why we have been on the call side and थोड़ा सा एक डिप का वेट कर रहे थे, which has comfortably we have achieved our dip and a buy has been initiated. तो नीचे में keep a stop of 38 और ऊपर में I think look for 120, 130.
Sir, re-entry suggested?
Re-entry, yeah, I think हाँ हमारा प्राइस पे ही तो है, तो I think they should definitely they should. We have seen a correction of 10-12 points, and FINNifty also the index ऊपर से almost 20-30 points का एक dip आया है. तो we'll see, we have a stop at 38 and we have a target of 120. So
we have a question, can we book partial profit around 80?
Yeah, definitely. I think they are making money.
I guess everybody needs to understand that churning and booking partial profit is something जो खुद से हमें करना चाहिए, right? When you feel कि you don't want to risk more, तब हमें करना चाहिए.
I think जिसको churn कर सकते हैं तो they should definitely churn. But as of now जो हमारा buy price है उससे तो काफी नीचे है, 10-12 points नीचे है. तो we'll wait. We have a stop at 38 and अभी नीचे में 46 हुआ है, वहां से वापस 53-54 आया है. तो we'll wait and see if it works well. I think it should work. I think because the weightage जो major weightage component है वो strong trade कर रहे हैं सुबह से, तो which is why we went थोड़ा सा aggressive and we opted for a shift in the buying range. जो previously था उससे ऊपर में हम we asked to buy थोड़ा सा. तो we'll see how it works.
Sir, अभी लेके हमें average करना चाहिए क्या?
Average I won't suggest. I think our stop is 38. अभी 40 का तो low कर रहे हैं. Averaging is not suggested. 100% not suggested. अगर आप churn कर रहे हैं तो you should definitely churn. जैसे किसी ने 50 में लिया और 58 में बेच दिया. Excuse me. और वापस 44 में लिया, 48-50 में बिक रहा है, तो that is how you can do it. Don't average it. So our stop, I think, has hit. Yes, it has made a low of 37. I think so. Our stop loss has been hit. So it is advisable to exit the position. I think थोड़ा सा dip आया है and in the index itself ऊपर में 583 से almost 40-50 points का dip आया है. Our stop loss has been hit, but फिलहाल वापस back to 50-51. So our advice is our stop loss has been hit, so I think you should exit your position in 23,500 call option of FINNifty.
Guys, please exit your position.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so I think in the meantime we can take queries if we have कुछ और setup लगेगा तो we'll definitely try to work something out. In the meantime we can take queries. I've shared a BTST in RCF, keeping a stop of 212 and look for 230 on the higher side.
Sir, we have a couple of questions around VBL. क्योंकि VBL अपना stock split announce किया, तो क्या अभी हमें consider करना चाहिए for short term?
I think stock split it is just a book entry. I don't think just because कोई stock split हो रहा है तो you should buy. But technically, I'll just quickly share the levels.
I can see people writing कि make stop loss analysis अच्छा होना चाहिए. कि आपने फिर से बिग लॉस करवा दिया. लास्ट टाइम भी 2-3 बार लॉस हुआ. आई एम नॉट श्योर जयदेव सिन्हा जी आपने कौन से एक्सपेरिमेंट्स अटेंड किए हैं. Yesterday also we made a good profit. उससे पहले Sensex में we made a good profit. Same goes for Nifty. In fact, निकुंज सर के खुद के last 3 sessions profitable रहे. I saw a message saying कि stop loss का पूरा वेट करते हैं, टारगेट चर्न करवा देते हैं, क्योंकि टारगेट स्टार्टिंग हमने हीरो जीरो से ही किया था, बट देन वी गॉट अ रिक्वेस्ट कि सर डोंट वेट फॉर टारगेट, प्लीज लेट अस नो कब हमें करना चाहिए. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट we started booking early profits, and that turned out to be a great deal. People started learning how to churn, how to manage stop loss. So
Yes.
for everything there is a reason, and I understand कि loss होने पे दुख होता है, but you need to be active throughout the week. आप एक सेशन अटेंड करेंगे पूरे महीने में या हफ्ते में, उसमें लॉस हो जाएगा, फिर आप बोलेंगे कि हर बार लॉस होता है. You need to attend overall. You have to look at the profits, not just one or two sessions.
Definitely, you have to be consistent. You have to be there consistently. I think there are a lot of people who have been consistent with us, and I guess I read someone booking profit. So, जो every time हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, and those who have attended all our sessions, they know how to play the option buying trade. Because option buying is like quick entry and quick exit, which is why we ask to churn the position. Whenever you get profit, you can re-enter again. थोड़ा सा dip आता है, तो then you can again churn. So you can trade in the single trade. You can keep churning and making a single trade into 2-3 trades. This is why we have to churn the profits. And stop loss is a part and parcel of it. So not every trade could be right, but 70-80% the trades have been successful. So I think there are a lot of people who have consistently been there with almost 3-4 months we've been doing this. तो जो every time हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, तो they are making money. तो वरुण बेवरेजेस की अगर बात करें, I think आज क्वार्टरली नंबर्स भी अनाउंस किए हैं, तो थोड़ा सा ऊपर से प्रॉफिट टेकिंग आया है, लेकिन नीचे में 1550 is a good support for Varun Beverages. So I think you should continue to hold with 1550 का stock.
Sir, we have a question about Paras Industry.
Which?
Paras Industry.
Paras.
And also, sir, before we move on to that, sir, जो हमारा call है, we have a message from Satish that is sustaining around 37. क्या करना चाहिए? Apparently, is not booked yet. Should he hold or should he exit?
No, I think he should exit. I think अगर वर्क करना होता है, नो पॉइंट होप में ट्रेड, जस्ट बिकॉज लॉस हो रहा है तो लॉस वी कैन नॉट बुक, तो होप में खड़े रह के कोई मतलब नहीं है, तो आई थिंक यू शुड एग्जिट दिस पोजीशन.
Sir, your view on Aditya Birla Fashion? It was given as a BTST yesterday.
Yeah, I wish. So yesterday also it made a good strong breakout आया daily scale पे, 336 के ऊपर breakout आया, तो I think keeping a stop of 332 you should hold on to the longs in Aditya Birla Fashion. I think ऊपर में वापस 355 360 आ सकता है.
Thanks a lot everyone for the support, Jutika ji, Mayur ji, Akash ji, Imran ji. And moving on, we have already shared our BTST for the day. And moving on towards the query. Sir, I guess जो हमारे BTST है, that has already given some profit. I can see people writing he booked 4K, 5K in it.
Yeah, it is almost 221 now.
Yes, sir.
We just seen a sharp run up. I think when we gave it was 218 or something. ऊपर में 222 गया था.
Sir, I guess we left out Paras defense.
Yeah, I just do. I think Paras थोड़ा सा कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है, लेकिन 1240 का बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट है और एक थोड़ा सा बॉटम फॉर्मेशन तो हो रहा है, तो 1240 के शॉप से होल्ड कीजिए, ऊपर में 1450 1470 आएगा पारस डिफेंस.
सर एस्ट्रा माइक्रोवेव पर व्यू बताएं.
एस्ट्रा माइक्रो आई बीन साइडवेज मोमेंटम है में, लेकिन नीचे में 880 का स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट है, तो 880 जब तक होल्ड कर रहे हैं आप लॉन्ग में बने रह सकते हैं. ऊपर में स्लोली बट ग्रेजुअली 940 950 आ सकता है. 880 is a very strong support for Astra Micro.
So guys, I guess that will be all for the day. I guess okay, we will take one more query जो मुझे 3 बार दिखी है. HDFC short term.
HDFC bank. I think HDFC एक sideways move में है, लेकिन 1590 अगर शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडर है आप, तो 1590 के स्टॉप से आप लॉन्ग पोजीशन होल्ड कर सकते हैं. ऊपर में वापस 1655 1670 आ सकता है स्लोली.
And so can we enter now in HDFC Bank?
Yeah, definitely 1590 के स्टॉप से आप कर सकते हैं.
Got it. So guys, that will be all for the day. Thanks a lot for joining in. Hope you have booked profit in the morning session, and also we have given a BTSC, so please maintain that and respect the stop loss, and also please keep a note कि profit and loss is a part of stock market. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ profit ही होगा. We had a good profit yesterday. We had a good profit in Sensex as well as in Nifty. I need to check before that कि क्या हुआ, because I was not there in last week के 2 दिन. So that's the update, and see you all tomorrow in the morning session, guys. Thanks a lot for joining in. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much. See you tomorrow morning 9:30.